What is up, guys? My name is Nico. Welcome back to another video. Took a month off of YouTube to focus on other things, but now I am back again making content for you guys. How are you guys doing in quarantine? Hope you guys are all doing well. I'm doing well, trying to keep busy. It's been a little crazy lately. But for today's video, I'm going to give you guys another hairstyle tutorial because you guys are fond of my hairstyle videos. So I'm also really having fun doing them too. Especially lately, I'm doing a lot of hairstyle. I recently permed my hair to just give me that wavy look, so I don't always gotta achieve it. As you guys can tell, I really like it. I'm really enjoying this hairstyle. So as you guys can tell from the title and the thumbnail, I'm gonna be doing a hairstyle of an actor by the name of Timothée Chalamet. You guys can tell from his style, I'm going for that same style that he has, wavy, longer, and split in the middle. So I'm gonna be doing that today. So stick around and let's get the video started. So going straight into the tutorial, first and foremost, I make sure my hair is wet. I'm also going to use a towel to towel dry my hair, and I'm going to scrunch my hair with the towel to kind of set those waves before I start the actual hairstyle. So I know a lot of you guys have been asking for my hair length. This is my hair length at the moment. I don't know the actual accurate measurement, but I'm going to show you guys so you guys can get an idea of how long my hair is from the sides, the top, and also the back. So now I'm going to take 10 to 15 minutes to let my hair air dry. So after that 10 to 15 minutes air drying your hair, I'm gonna go ahead and add my first product, which is gonna be this Good Behavior 24-hour frizz control to make my hair less frizzy when doing this hairstyle. So after spraying that product, I'm gonna also go ahead and comb my hair back with my hands to get the product everywhere so there isn't any spot without the product. So now I'm going to be using my hair paste. I'm going to be using this Equate styling fiber. It's a really cheap brand. It's very affordable if you're looking for some cheap hair paste. This one is a matte finish. I like using matte finish products, so I'm going to go ahead and just apply that to my hair and make sure you don't miss a spot. So I go ahead also and make the middle part and maintain it in that position. It's going to stay there for the whole rest of the hairstyle. I'm also going to slick the hair back from the sides, both sides. I do this just because it's not so puff from the sides and keeping it flat and just letting the hair fall from the side so it's not so big. I think it's a good size. It's a good puff on it. I just keep scrunching my hair with the products in my hand till I don't really feel the products in my hand anymore, and also it really molds those waves that I want. So last and final product I'm going to be using is going to be this Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Sea Salt Spray to maintain my waves and also texturize it as well. Since from the hairstyle, he has a very wavy, really curly hair, so I'm gonna make sure I have that to add the same effect with the last product. So now I'm lightly just messing with my hair. I'm also cupping it up to mold it to the shape that I want, adding a little more puff to the hair, just like the hairstyle. And now I'm gonna wait 10 to 15 minutes to just air dry my hair. You know, you can go ahead, play your Switch, do whatever, play Animal Crossing, and just wait. After that 10 to 15 minutes, your hair should be ready, should be completely dry with the sea salt, with all the product in your hair, and that should be the hairstyle, guys. Hope you guys do like this video. If you guys do enjoy, hit the likes, comment, and subscribe down below. Let me know also down below which celebrity or whichever you want me to do a hairstyle of next. Let me know down below. Like I said, with that being said, hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you guys later.